Hi friends, I am here to show you how to get this amazing look from Lady Gaga's music video for Disease. I did follow Sarah Tano's tutorial, Lady Gaga's makeup artist, on how she did this, but I made a few amendments to my own one, which I kind of believe she did do on Gaga in the video, just from looking at the makeup up close, but maybe she couldn't fit it into the Instagram reel length of time. And this version is entirely drugstore makeup. I'm starting with the Revolution Blur stick and I'm just going to work that into my face, and then I'm going to use Maybelline's Dream Radiance Liquid applied with a flat foundation brush and a very light coating. About one pump will do. We want this look to give skin. Now I'm using a greyish contour stick. This one is from Shein, which I'm not so happy with using, but it's the only greyish one I could find within the drugstore budget. And the placement for that would be the cheekbones, forehead, jawline and the bridge and tip of the nose. Taking some Rimmel Mayfair Red Lady lipstick on my finger, I'm just going to press that into the inner corner of my right eye and also on the inner corner of my right eyebrow. Now draw a diagonal line from the inner corner of your eyebrow towards your hairline with black eyeliner. Now press some Studio London eyeshadow pigment in Earl Grey over the inner corner of your eye and sweep a warm brown eyeshadow in a winged shape over your eyelids and over your bottom and top lash line. This colour is called Amethyst by Saprof in the nude palette. Using a dark red lip liner, I'm going to line both of my water lines and I'm going to create a winged liner on my top lash line, and I'm also going to draw around my tear duct. We want this look to be very sickly and bruised looking. That's why we're using these colours. I'm then going to blend that out with an angle brush to really diffuse it. The colour I'm using is Velvet Robe by L'Oreal Colour Riche. Now layer warm medium brown lip liner over top of the liner we've just done. This one is made by Mitchell in Glad You're Here, and we're using lip liners to simply give us more colour options, and gently smudge those together using a clean finger. Now I can clean up that shape and finish my base by using a lighter foundation. This one is the Misha Magic Cushion Cover Lasting Foundation in number 21. We really want to look quite sickly and pallid, so that is why we're going in with a light foundation. Using the e.l.f. brow gel, I'm just going to raise the angle of my pre-bleached brows by brushing them in a diagonal upwards swoop. Very gently heating up my eyelash curler with a lighter. Make sure you don't burn yourself. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. Then apply clear mascara. This one is by e.l.f. and it comes in a duo pack with the brow gel. I'm going to wipe off my lip mask and make sure my lips are entirely dry, and then take some of the foundation that's remaining on the brush and go over my lips to create a matte base. And then I'm going to take some of that same lipstick that we put on the eye and put it on the inside of my lips to create an ombre lip, and just blend that with the same foundation brush. Using L'Oreal Infallible Precision Felt Tip Eyeliner, I'm going to create a V on the inside of both lips pointing towards the center. Then line the perimeter of both lips to meet the tips of those V's. Go really slowly and steadily with this, and you can correct any mistakes using some micellar water on a Q-tip. And just round off the inner corner of the V's of the bottom lip. I'm just going to use some Rimmel Stay Matte powder for that oil control, and I'm going to dry off my tooth. It is the left middle tooth. Gaga had a black diamond grill, but I'm just going to fill my tooth in with a black gel eyeliner from Maybelline and let that fully dry before closing your mouth. Then I'm just going to set my makeup with Maybelline's Lasting Fix, and there you have it. I actually really like this makeup look. I was actually feeling myself. Maybe not so much in the GIMP mask, but the rest of it, I really did like it. And it was surprisingly easy to do. It only took me about 30 minutes, and that included filming kerfuffle. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you like the video, please give me a like. Listen to Disease by Lady Gaga. It's amazing, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye.